Soap making, a comprehensive case study. Soap making, an age-old craft, has evolved from a simple process of combining fats and lye to a sophisticated art. This case study delves into the intricacies of soap manufacturing, outlining the key steps and considerations involved. Raw materials, fats and oils. The foundation of soap lies in fats and oils, which can be sourced from animals like tallow and lard, or plants such as coconut oil, olive oil and palm oil. Each fat or oil contributes unique properties to the final soap product. Lye, or sodium hydroxide for bar soaps and potassium hydroxide for liquid soaps, is the alkali required for saponification. It is crucial to handle lye with care due to its corrosive nature. Distilled water is typically used to dissolve the lye and ensure a pure soap product. Additives? Optional additives such as essential oils for fragrance, natural colorants and exfoliants can enhance the soap's properties and appeal. 2. Equipment protective gear. Safety is paramount. Wear gloves, goggles and long sleeves to protect yourself from lye. Containers. Use heat-resistant containers made of plastic or stainless steel for mixing lye and oils. Avoid aluminum as it reacts with lye. Thermometer. Monitor the temperature of lye and oils for optimal saponification. Immersion blender or stirring utensils. Thoroughly combine lye solution and oils. Molds. Choose molds of desired shapes and sizes to pour the soap mixture. Cutting tools. For bar soaps, use a sharp knife or wire cutter to slice the soap after it has solidified. Alright, let's dive into the soap making process. First, we have the lye solution preparation. Slowly add lye to cold water in a well-ventilated area, stirring continuously. The mixture will heat up, so allow it to cool to the desired temperature. Next, we move on to oil preparation. Melt solid fats and combine them with liquid oils. Heat or cool these to the same temperature as the lye solution. Now it's time for saponification. Gradually pour the lye solution into the oil, stirring constantly. This initiates the chemical reaction called saponification, where fats and lye transform into soap and glycerin. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens to a trace consistency, resembling pudding. This indicates saponification is nearing completion. At this stage, you can incorporate essential oils, colorants, or other additives. Then pour the soap mixture into molds. Cover the molds with blankets or towels to retain heat and promote saponification. Allow the soap to sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, saponification continues, and the soap hardens. Finally, remove the soap from molds and cut into bars if desired. Place the bars on racks with good air circulation to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. Curing allows excess water to evaporate, resulting in a milder, longer-lasting soap. Now let's talk about some important safety precautions. When handling lye, always add lye to water, never water to lye, to prevent dangerous splattering. Make sure to wear protective gear. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling lye fumes. Keep a close eye on temperatures to prevent overheating or incomplete saponification. And of course, keep lye and soap-making supplies out of reach of children and pets. Let's move on to troubleshooting common issues. If the mixture thickens too quickly, it may be due to high temperatures or certain oils. Adjust temperatures or consider a rebatch process. Crumbly soap can result from insufficient stirring, too much water, or incorrect lye concentration. Soft soap may be caused by excess oils, insufficient lye, or inadequate curing. Soap making is a rewarding process that allows for creativity and customization. By understanding the key steps, safety precautions, and potential issues, you can craft beautiful, functional soaps tailored to your preferences.